Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Resolve's Carpet Cleaner Powder for dirt stain and odor removal. Dirty spots can be freshened with this moist powder. Just sprinkle it on, work it into the trouble spot, and wait 20 minutes for the granules to absorb dirt and odors while they dry. Then, vacuum and ground in dirt is history. Because it isn't a liquid, there is no risk of over-wetting and damaging the carpet or fading colors. Our second pick is Woolite Advanced Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus Sanitize. This formula not only removes stains and pungent odors from carpet, stairs, pet beds and more, it also sanitizes 99.9% of the stain, so it gets beyond the bacteria that you see. Let's watch how it works for you.
Your pets add so much to your family, and a few messes just come with the territory. That's why you need a spot remover that does more than just treat the surface stain. Introducing Woolite Advanced Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus Sanitize for carpet and upholstery. It's a revolutionary all-in-one spot remover that cleans, sanitizes, deodorizes, freshens, and removes allergens on soft surfaces throughout your home. After treating a pet stain, bacteria can sometimes linger in your carpet, even after the stain is gone. But Woolite Advanced Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus Sanitize is different. Now you can remove 99.9% of bacteria on carpets and soft surfaces. Its unique penetrating action thoroughly cleans and sanitizes deep down into the carpet fibers, removing pet stains, odors, dirt, and bacteria. With Woolite Advanced Pet Stain formula, you can take soft surface stain removal and sanitation right where you need it. Use it throughout your home to sanitize and to safely clean the carpets and upholstery that you and your family come in contact with every day. It's easy to use and it works great on area rugs, upholstery, pet beds, and other household soft surfaces. Woolite Advanced Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus Sanitize formula removes the most stubborn pet messes, along with other tough stains such as red wine, food stains, dirt, and grease. There's even a formula for homes without pets. So don't just take care of surface stains. Protect your home and family with the innovative spot cleaner that cleans beyond the surface for carpet and upholstery that are actually as clean as they look. Woolite Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus Sanitize. For a deep clean beyond what's seen.
Our third pick is Capture Carpet Dry Cleaner Powder. This pick is ideal for removing stains from liquids. In addition to cleaning stains, it soaks up any moisture, preventing the growth of bacteria, mold and other allergens. Plus, for a relatively low price tag, you get a whopping 4 pounds of product which can cover about 400 square feet of carpeted area rugs. How does it work? Let's watch it.
Is great for cleaning up everyday spots and spills. First, make sure to blot up spills or other staining materials from the surface of the carpet. Capture cleans both wet and dry stains. Next, spray the Capture Pre-Mist onto the stain or area to be cleaned. The Pre-Mist boosts the cleaning power of the powder. Then sprinkle on the Capture Carpet and Rug Dry Cleaner. The Capture powder is made of thousands of tiny particles that absorb and hold on to stains. Make sure to apply enough powder to completely cover the stain. Then, gently comb the Capture Carpet and Rug Dry Cleaner into the carpet. No need to scrub. After about 30 minutes, the powder is dry and ready to vacuum. Capture is safe on all types of carpets and rugs, even wool. Capture is also safe for use in homes with children and pets.
Our fourth choice is Nature's Miracle Cat Stain and Odor Remover. This cleaner not only lifts away the stain and odor in carpet, it can also be used on tile, hardwood or linoleum, so it is a must for any household with cats. Let's watch how can we remove stain with this remover.
This is nature's miracle. It keeps things like this super soft, super white carpet clean and clear of tough pet stains and odors. Like this. For your average daily pet mess, use our enzymatic formula. It's an easy process. First, wipe up as much of the surface stain as possible. Then, soak it. Really, really soak until it's fully saturated. Okay, now comes the fun part. Do nothing! Seriously, walk away from the stain. Nature's Miracle products use action-packed ingredients to break down stains. And perfection takes time, people. Give it anywhere from 10 minutes to overnight. And we're back. Time to wipe away. And yes, it's that gone. Be confident, pet parent. With mess-eliminating power in every shape and color, you too can have nice things. Trust the miracle.
Our last pick is Wine Aware Red Wine Stain Remover. This formula topped our cleaning lab tests of red wine stain removers on fabric and carpet. Our experts found it easy to rinse out of carpeting, so your pile will look perfect after cleaning. So, don't cry over spilled wine, coffee, even blood to your carpet next time.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!